How to delete Doordash account permanently. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to delete your Doordash account permanently, then watch this video till the end. All you have to do is open up any web browser and head over to doordash.com. Make sure you have signed into your account. Now, click on the account option from the left-hand side panel, and under account settings, you want to select account option. Once you click on the account option, all the details about your profile will be displayed. Here, you want to click on the Manage Account option. Once you click on this option, it's going to take you to this page. Now, if you want to request your data, click on the Request Archive option. Otherwise, click on the Delete Account option. Now, if you have two-step verification enabled, you will be sent a verification code on your mobile number. Simply enter that 6-digit code over here. Once you have entered the code, you want to click on the Submit option. Then it is going to ask you the reason for deleting the Doordash account. Select the appropriate reason. After that, your Doordash account will be deleted permanently, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.